2022 Kia Seltos. With less than 38,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.